Hello everyone, welcome to the vlog. I come to you on my floor on this beautiful Friday afternoon. I have many things to talk to you about. I have gotten into a new hobby that is mechanical keyboards. I'm a very techie person in general. I feel like a lot of you know this that watch me. I have really gotten back into playing video games after stopping for quite some time because I was afraid that I was weird. I mean, I've just been doing so much, I guess you could say, soul searching and stuff, but I have really dove head deep into the realm of mechanical keyboards, and I'm so happy. I actually did build one yesterday that I want to show you guys, but in this box right here, I have an extremely exciting package. I found this from Mercari. It's a girl that was selling it. There is a brand and it's called Osumi. They make these really beautiful keycaps and stuff like that. Last year, they did a collaboration with another company and I didn't know about it. And they made an entire keyboard. And it's so beautiful and so stunning and I love it so much. So of course you can't buy it anymore because the Kickstarter was done last year and I found this person selling theirs. It was unopened. So I have a lot of boxes here to open. This is the keyboard. Now this one is a pre-built keyboard. I'm not going to be opening this up internally. The only thing that I'll probably end up doing to this is changing out the switches, depending on which type of switches come in here. I don't know which kind come in here. I don't know if they're already lubed or what. Osume, here is the name of the brand. And then it is the Dalgona kit, and they collabed with KHAITE Aurora kit. Look at the little smiley face. I'm just gonna go one by one. So these are like the little novelty pieces, like the little keycaps. And here's what the little keycaps, the extra ones, look like. So cute. And then there is a metal keycap that can be used for like the escape button or something. It's like a little bear. Oh yeah, it's definitely is a little bit heavier. And then let's get into this. What is this? Oh, okay. So this is an extra backing. So for this collection, they had coffee and cream. It's the Dalgona collection. I think the person that bought this initially got the coffee option, but then got the cream backplate, like an extra cream backplate in case I wanted to swap it out. So here's the cream one. I think I'm gonna like the coffee one more though. And this right here is actually the Dalgona standard novelty kit, and this is actually still sealed. So I'm gonna open this. Oh, there's more keycaps. Oh my goodness. Okay, so these are these ones. There's like extra ones. Oh my God, that's so cute. And then the piece de resistance, we have the keyboard. Now I know these, I think this is Mac compatible. It said on the thing that it was. It comes with its own carrying case, very fancy. Oh my God, that is so fancy. Is that USB-C? Look at this, it is so well packaged. So nicely packaged. Look at this. So we have this gorgeous, beautiful braided cord. My Mac doesn't have a USB port. I have a feeling that this is the part that goes into, yeah, it is. This is the part that goes into the keyboard, and this goes into the computer. So I'll have to find some kind of adapter. But beautiful, beautiful coiled cable. Really, really pretty brown color. Oh, she's heavy. Okay, oh my God. Yeah, it's not wireless at all, so I will have to figure out what to do regarding that cable. Okay, here is what it looks like, you guys. Like, are you kidding me? And then also, because you can't buy this anymore, the one that I found on Mercari had the sub-legends in Hangul, which I believe is like the Korean alphabet. So I couldn't find one that only had English characters, but I don't mind that it has Hangul in there too. It just gives it some character. It's really, really cute. I absolutely love it. I am obsessed. Are these stabilizers? I think these might be extra stabilizers, and you get some extra switches. Yeah, here is the stabilizers. I don't know, I'm not gonna mess with the stabilizers. I'm sure these are fine. We'll see. These are nice switches. I don't know what type they are. Like, I have no idea what type of switches these are. It also has this little magnetic plate. Look at that. It's the cutest thing I've ever seen, and you can put it right there and it just kind of magnetizes. Okay, anyways, amazing, beautiful, wonderful start to this vlog. I'm so obsessed with this. I'm gonna figure out what to do now, and then I'll come back here in just a little bit. So yeah, I'll talk to you when something else fun happens. Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? Today is now Saturday, and I've got to show you what the office looks like now. It's so beautiful. I did receive my adapter. I ordered an adapter from Amazon for my keyboard that I showed you guys yesterday. And it was like a same day shipping situation. It was great. Also, by the way, I'm not sure if you noticed, but I got my hair redone. I got my hair re-redded, and then I also got it cut a little bit just because it was getting too long. But yeah, do we see? There's no better feeling than fresh roots. Beautiful. And then the same day that I got my hair redone, I got my nails done. Last time I had like kind of not rainbow, but it was like kind of colorful, and I had like little squiggly lines on it. This time I went with squiggly lines, but I got it brown. Like, I know this is like fall nails, but this is where my heart lies. Like, this right here is my safe space. It's brown. This is where my heart is. So I feel alive. Anyways, yesterday I didn't really do anything interesting after we spoke yesterday. Like I said, I did get my adapter for that Dalgona keyboard, and it's all plugged into my Mac, and it's beautiful. I did finish up lubing those other switches that I was lubing, the Kinetic Labs salmon ones. They're like tactile salmon ones. And then I put them into my current keyboard on my PC side, and they're great. They're really nice. I made my coffee. Today's gonna be a very heavy work day because Raph is trying to get a video posted relatively soon, but it's a pretty detailed, kind of difficult video. He's doing a video about angels, like biblical angels and stuff like that, and it's really, really cool, but apparently it's very difficult, like it's very long. I'm editing the first part of that here soon, and then just throughout the day, it's just gonna be a lot of editing today. I've been also playing Hades a lot recently. I've been really, really liking that game. I haven't really played anything in so long, but I've been really loving playing more things now. Like, I don't know what it is. Like, I've been playing Hades. I kind of want to start playing Stardew Valley again. It's been a long time since I've played that. Like, any kind of like cozy games, I want to start playing again. It's so cute. But anyways, I'm gonna go for now. I'll probably start editing soon, and then I'll probably come down to eat breakfast. But yeah, I'm gonna go, and then I will take you upstairs when I do go up there to show you the office and what it looks like. Good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday and it's Father's Day today. So happy Father's Day to any fathers out there. Today we are going to be going out to eat, I believe. Me, Raph, my mom and my dad. And we're gonna take him out to eat. And then we had a crazy day yesterday. Like, I really didn't vlog much and I feel bad because I really wanted to vlog, but it was so busy. So we were working on the initial video, like the angels video, but then Raph was like, listen, this is gonna take much longer than I thought. So we rushed together. It was a video that we were planning to do anyways, but we just couldn't really find the time to put that video on the channel. So he was like, well, why don't I just make this video, I can put it up, I already have the thumbnail made, I already kind of know what I was gonna say, and then it'll give me a few extra days regarding the angels video. So I said, great. Raph wrote the script really quick, not really a script, more like bullet points, filmed it, and then I edited last night. And Raph also finished editing it last night. I think he might have to do like a couple of little tweaks this morning, but it's done. We got a whole video done in like a day. And it's a good video too. Like, it's not like a thrown together really quick. I mean, it is thrown together really quick, but it's really thought out still. But I still haven't showed you the office. I still really want to. The only reason I haven't is because it looks like doo-doo. It looks so bad. It's so messy. I need to clean it first. But I wanted to show you this really quick. I got a couple of extra little keycaps for my gaming PC. Gaming PC. It's so old. I got it back in like 2016, but it's great though. It's still amazing. Raph asked me like how much RAM do I have in the computer, and he was expecting me to say like 8 or 16, and I have 32 gigs of RAM in that computer because all of my friends at the time were like, ooh, you gotta get extra RAM, you gotta get extra RAM, because if you do, then the computer will last so much longer. It'll be like future-proofed kind of thing. So I did, and it is future-proofed a little bit. Like, I know it's older at this point now, but it still works great. I got a new monitor for it, and I've been playing so many things, and I'm so happy about it. I've been playing Hades. I've been playing this new kind of cozy game called Lakeburg Legacies, something like that. I hope that's the right name, but I've been playing so much more now and I'm so happy about it. Anyways, I wanted to show you this little keycap because I bought 2 of these. This one is the Siamese cat paw. Look, oh my god, it's brown with a little like tan bottom. Like, are you kidding me? That's so cute. And then I also got one that's white and it has a pink paw pad. All right, you guys, I wanted to show you my outfit for going out to eat for Father's Day. I have on this new sweater from KHAITE. I got it on like crazy discount. It's amazing and I really like it. And then I have on this black pair of denim from the Denim Forum. I have on my Sambas, and then I have my Jody in the teen size. So that is my outfit for today, and yeah, let's go eat some lunch. I'm very hungry. Good morning. It is now Monday. Today is Juneteenth, so happy Juneteenth, and hopefully you have a wonderful day off work if you do get off work. Last night was rough, but last night around like 9-ish, Raph was complaining about a headache, and then it just got worse and worse and worse, and I think it must have turned into like a migraine or something, because I finally went to bed at like 11:15, something like that, and then I woke up for some reason when he came to bed, and that was at like 1:40, I believe, something like that. And he said that it had gotten even worse. And mind you, he already took 2 ibuprofen at like 9 when this started happening. That apparently did not help at all. And then he took 2 more ibuprofen at around 1 because you're supposed to wait every 4 hours. And he said that wasn't really helping either. So it wasn't just a regular headache. It must have been a migraine or something. But so I woke up and like tried to like rub his head and like scratch his back and like kind of go over his head like this, and then I just felt so bad for him because you could tell he was in like in a lot of pain. Around 3, is when he finally said that it was starting to get better because he was so tired that he really wanted to sleep, but his head hurt so bad that he couldn't sleep. And then I said, well, a lot of people on Google, like a lot of the things that I'm reading on Google say that if you try to sleep, it might actually end up helping your head. So he tried to sleep, and then I kind of massaged his head, rubbed his head, and then eventually around 3, he was like, I think it's finally starting to get better. So I slept until like 9 this morning, which I never do. But I feel good. I feel great, actually. I don't feel like I didn't sleep enough. I don't feel tired. I feel totally normal. Raph didn't actually go to sleep until 3. I turned his alarm off because normally his alarm is set to go off around 10 o'clock. I turned his alarm off and just so he could keep sleeping, and he'll just wake up when he wakes up. I'm gonna show you the office because I did clean up in there, so it looks a lot better. I'm gonna go finish eating because I'm sure you either like watching me eat or you don't. So I'll check in here in a little bit, but yeah, I'll come back when something else fun happens. All right, you guys, we are now back in my office. I finally got everything really cleaned up. So I wanted to show you a few little pieces that are new in the space. So you've seen this chair so many times, but I did get a cute little new Totoro plushie that just kind of sits there, and I think it's adorable. And then over on this side, I did get one of these little pebbles from Mercari. And I have a couple of rings and my watch in there. I still have this. I'm trying to figure out if I even want this here. Like, I'm not sure if it fits. Like, it's nice to have the tissue thing, but I'm not sure. Of course, I still have my agenda. I want to get a new side table. Like, I want to get this one from, I think it's like CB2 or West Elm or something. It's black one, and it's really nice. And then moving over here, as you can see, I do have my headset. This is actually a new headset from Logitech. It's the Logitech headset, the one that everybody has when they think of Logitech. It's very cute, but it's a pretty decent headset. It's not gonna be like the best headset in the world. It is marketed as like a gamer headset, but I feel like there are far better like gamer headsets than this one. This one's just cute and aesthetic. And then we have this over here. I did get a new keyboard, and I did actually mod this keyboard. Like, I'm so happy with myself. It's not perfect, but I did do like the tape mod, and I put tape back here inside the housing to give it like a more deeper sound. And I did swap out the normal switches, and I put in the baby kangaroo switches from Gatron. The baby kangaroo switches actually came with my Hero 65. This is from Newfie, I believe. So the baby kangaroo switches actually came with that one. But I swapped them out and put them in this one. And it sounds so nice. The RGB is beautiful and amazing on this one. And then of course I got a new monitor. I actually got this monitor to play Diablo, but I've been playing other games like this one called Lakebird Legacies. It's so stinking cute. This is the demo that I'm playing because the game is still in development, so it hasn't fully come out. But I've been really getting into like cozy gaming, so this one is great. Moving over to this side, of course, I got a keyboard stand because I do have more than one keyboard now. Like, it's insane. I actually have some keycaps coming in the mail today from Acco, and I'm really excited for those. I hope that they look good. And then the switches in this are the Kinetic Labs salmon switches, I think that's what it's called. And then nothing's really changed over here except for my keyboard and mouse. I still have my stand for my AirPods Max. And then coming over here to like my new favorite thing in the entire world, I have the beautiful, stunning keyboard from Osumi X Aurora, I believe. Now this keyboard does have Hangul sub-legends. I found this secondhand online. I know what you already saw the unboxing. I think I talked about this, but I'm not 100% sure, which I don't care. I think it gives the keyboard character. And then I swapped out these keys and I put the little bear with the lollipop, the little faces, and this little thing. It's the cutest keyboard of all time, and I am just obsessed with it. And then I am trying out this Logitech like sideways mouse. I'm still trying to get used to it, but I think it's really cute. And then I did get a diffuser, an oil diffuser. I actually had one, but then I ended up liking this one better. This one's just prettier, to be honest. And then I did get the 5-minute journal. That's my new setup, you guys. I love it. I will do a sound test for you regarding this keyboard and this keyboard over here. The switches on this one are definitely a lot less clacky, like they're not really in your face. Let's just go to Word Monkey and do a little typing test. So I got 75 words a minute and 96% accuracy. But yeah, that is the sound for this one. It's definitely a lot quieter than some other keyboards that I have seen. And then let me take you over to this one, and then I'll show you what this one sounds like. So 82 words per minute and 96% accuracy. This one, as you can tell, does have a more, it still sounds pretty marbly in my opinion. But it is definitely louder than the Dalgona keyboard. And then the last one I'll show you real quick is this one. This one is again from Newfie. I believe that's how you say it. This one is a wireless one. It can, of course, be wired, but it does have a Bluetooth option, and it has an option for this little dongle to plug into your USB, but I just have it as Bluetooth right now. So let me do another Type Monkey. I feel like I suck on this keyboard typing for some reason, but we'll see if you can tell the difference in the sound. So that one's 80 words per minute, but I actually did 98% accuracy. I think I only messed up once on that one. So, and then this one also has RGB. Definitely not as much as also the flickering is not happening in real life. It's just the camera doing that. Definitely not as much as this one. This one is like known for its RGB, but still fantastic keyboards. That has been my keyboard, like new office setup. I'm not gonna film too much more. I do know that I'm getting in some new keycaps today, so I did want to maybe show you those. So I will check back when those arrive. But yeah, hello everyone. It's a little bit later and I got my keycaps in the mail, but sadly I'm gonna have to return these. Not because they're bad or anything like that, but it's just because they don't fit my keyboards. They're a cherry profile, I think, but my two keyboards that I have, I guess, are different. I think they'll fit the Dalgona keyboard, like the Osumi one, but I don't want to change those keycaps out. Like those are my favorite keycaps of all time. But here's what these looked like. So it's cool. And then, so here's this side. And then here's this side. You have a bunch of pink accent keys. And it's from Acco, by the way. I'm gonna return these. And then I actually did order the Osumi little, like the little ghost keycaps. They're a back order right now, so I have no idea when they're going to arrive, but they're the cutest things I've ever seen. They also kind of have like an Olivia color scheme. So it's kind of like a black, muted pink, and then white or like beige keycaps. So it will give me that same like Olivia effect that I was wanting to have, but I have no idea when I'm gonna receive them. But I'll keep you posted, I guess. Yeah, that's pretty much it for now. I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Let me know in the comments what your favorite part of this vlog was. I know that I have been talking about a lot more like nerdy stuff as of late, so I hope that you enjoyed that. I hope it's not too boring for those of you that don't like nerdy stuff, but I know many of you are just here for like the fashion and everything, and I still love that. Like I'm still there. Like I still have all of my bags. I'm obsessed with them. But yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and the subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!